for tension on the embroidery machine, let's talk about what is that you're looking for. So when you embroider a design, especially that has satin stitches, on the back side, this is what you want to see. You want to see about 1/3 of on each side to be the color from the top. You want that to be pulled to the back side. And the white is kind of like a little column in between the colors that are coming to the back. Now, if you don't have that, maybe you have all color and you're like, wow, that's way too much decorative thread being pulled and I'm not seeing any bobbin thread, then you're going to come over to the set menu and we're going to go up to thread tension. Notice it's quite less than when you sew. It's at 2.8 for right now. So if I'm having way too much color coming back here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the top tension. So that would be to a higher number. Now notice these are very small increments. So let's go ahead and take it up a good number or more. So if I go up to 4, and probably have to go a little more, 4, 4.5 or so, to really get that pulled up so you can see some bobbin thread. Now what normally happens is people start to see bobbin thread coming up to the top side. Now that's hard to see if this fabric was white, but it's very obvious if it's a dark color or any color. It's a lot easier to see. It makes this almost look very raggedy along the side because you're seeing white coming up on the top. That is where we need to reduce the top tension and go ahead and come down a good amount, maybe start about 1.8, about 1 number's worth, and see if that happens a little bit better. Another thing people see a lot is when they're doing an outline and it's a black outline and you have white bobbin thread coming through. White bobbin thread on the top looks awful with an outline. Again, reduce your top tension. And another tip, if you really find you really want a really nice look, switch to a black bobbin when you do a black outline. Yes, it is gorgeous when you look at that. But you do want to make sure that your tension's pulled to the back side, and with those little small outline stitches, that is common. So reduce that tension down should you need to with your machine. It is okay to adjust the tension. The more you use your embroidery machine, the more you're going to probably need to lower your top tension down because things have loosened up, and that's why you do want to make sure you get in on an annual basis and have your machine cleaned and serviced, because what they're going to do is tighten everything back up and then that tension will be as it should be. So if you've been a while embroidering a lot, you're seeing more bobbin thread every time you're sewing, just reduce the top tension. You get down close to like 0.6, it is time to have your machine cleaned because things are just not as tight as when you first got it. So that should get you an idea. If you don't remember which way to go, one will make it worse and one will make it better. So higher or lower on your screen and you're good to go. But we do not. So the rule is no bobbin thread showing on the top side.